Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Heavy rains moving out of central Queensland and dropping most of its load over the eastern downs and Wide Bay Burnett, where flooding is expected to continue through the night. Tomorrow should be a better day, but fierce winds and pounding swells will continue barraging the coast. Narrabee had the biggest overnight total of 120 millimetres. We had 100 mils at Coolmaringa, Yamba had 70 mils, Emerald 47 and Gladstone 36. Temperatures today in Rockhampton, the top was 25 degrees after a low this morning of 21. Gladstone rose to a high of only 22. We'll start with the satellite loop now. The upper level low that's producing all this heavy rain is beginning to tilt. You can see in a clockwise sense, and that's clearing all the rain out of the tropics and contracting it into the southeast. It's in the process of moving out of the Capricornia now, and basically all that's left now is another 12 to 24 hours of heavy rain through the Wide Bay Burnett, the southeast coast and the eastern downs to a lesser extent. On today's chart, on the surface, you can see that the surface low and the trough has caught up with the upper low. They're almost in the same position. So consider this dotted line to be the boundary of heavy weather on its southern end. Not only will the rain continue to be heavy tonight, but we've still got those very strong easterly winds and swells. On tomorrow's chart, the surface trough doesn't move a great deal, so this is again a boundary, but because the upper low weakens a little bit, the rain won't be quite as heavy on its underside, but the winds will be as strong, and so will the swell. And on the outlook chart, you can see that there's not really a distinct change, but weakening weather systems in the south and generally sunny in the tropics, but a few showers still around the central coast. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, a strong wind warning south of Agnes Water only. For the rest it'll be quite light, between 10 and 20 knots of southerly, but there's a 4 metre easterly swell outside the reef. Sunday, Monday, light variable winds under 10 knots. Full moon's not far away now, only 2 days in fact, and the tidal range is reaching close to its peak. The first high tide's tomorrow morning with a big one at night. Now the Capricornia district forecast, we've got a hazardous surf warning at Agnes, a flood warning for the Fitzroy, heavy rain and storms tomorrow, Gladstone 25 degrees, Rockhampton 27, Billawheeler 25 and Yeppoon 26. Central Highlands and Coalfields, showers and thunderstorms, they'll be mainly in the southeast. Emerald and Claremont 26 degrees, Moranbah 27. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, the heavy rain will be finished after tomorrow, but conditions will remain very unsettled Sunday onwards and through most of next week with damp, cloudy days and warm, muggy nights. Well, that's the end of a very wet week. For many places, the wettest week the month of May has seen in a very long time. Let's hope the next one's a bit drier. Have a nice weekend. Catch you Monday, and now it's back to the team.
Good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Lovely having your company. Have a terrific weekend. Catch you back Monday night. And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your weekend. Good night. Good night.